deep, then you can go up. The deepest mines are much deeper than the tallest buildings are tall.
Plus vous ne pouvez monter. Les minen les plus profondes sont beaucoup plus profondes que les bâtiments les plus hauts. Dann kannst du nach oben gehen. Die tiefsten Minen sind viel tiefer, als die höchsten Gebäude hoch sind.
Say goodbye to those days when you had to hire expensive human translators and wait for a couple of days. Enjoy AI translation with less cost yet pro quality. The clips you have just watched in different languages are all created with the help of Vidnoz AI Video Translator. Translate your videos seamlessly in 140+ languages with natural voice clone and preserve authentic speaking styles. So let me tell you how you can use this AI tool to convert your video into different languages. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. After clicking on the link given in the video description below, you will be taken to the website whose interface is in front of you. Here you can see that they have mentioned that you can translate videos for free with the help of AI. Here above two sections are given, one is upload video and other is through URL. Here you can paste your YouTube video link to translate your video into your desired language, but I will click on upload video button and upload the video, which I have to convert in different languages. First, let me play it so you know it's an English language video.
The clips you are watching in different languages are all created by Vidnoz AI Video Translator. Translate your videos seamlessly in 140+ languages.
Under the Original Language tab, select the language in which the original video is from. Now select the output language in which you want to convert your video. As I have chosen French language, if you want to add subtitles to your video, then you will turn on the option of subtitles and also turn on the option of lip sync, so that lip sync is compatible with the language the video is converted to. Click Translate Now button to start the process of transcription. You can see that the video subtitles are ready in a short time, on the one hand, the English language of the original video, and on the other hand, the subtitles have been prepared in the French language. Click Translate Now button to start the translation process. I show you by playing so that you can check the result of the converted video in French language.
Les clips que vous regardez dans différentes langues sont tous créés par Vidnoz AI Video Translator. Traduisez vos vidéos de manière transparente dans plus de 140 langues avec une voix naturelle.
Of course, this AI tool has converted the English language video into French language very well, and the lip sync is also very perfect. By clicking the download button we can save our video. Let's try another language and see the result. This time we will select German as the output language. You can turn the subtitles option on if you want, but I leave it off. Turn on lip sync option. Click Translate Now button to start the transcripting video process. You can see that the process of transcription of the video is completed in a short time and its transcription is ready in German language. Click Translate Now button to start the translation process.
Die Clips, die Sie in verschiedenen Sprachen ansehen, werden alle von Vidnoz AI Video Translator erstellt. Übersetzen Sie Ihre Videos nahtlos in mehr als 140 Sprachen mit natürlicher Stimme.
Once again, this AI tool has done the language conversion very well. Finally, let me tell you that you can translate one video per day with the help of this free AI tool, and if you want to translate more videos in a day, so for that you have to log in with different email IDs. Create videos in your primary language and translate the audio and captions to Spanish, French, German, Hindi, and other languages. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video to support my work.